Hi there, welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over the calendar section of the Tools tab. So let's begin. This tool allows you to set up or manage events that will display on your calendar page on your website. The Current Event tab will showcase the list of events that are currently live on your website. The Archived Events tab will showcase the list of expired events that have already occurred. The Advanced Calendar Settings tab provides the option to import events from another website in your group if you have multiple websites with us. If the events were set up to be shared, then this option is not needed. The Submissions tab is a quick link to the Submissions tool to manage event submissions created by users. We will go over the submission process later in this video. To create a new event, click the Add New Event button. Listed below are the fields to fill in information or content for your event. The event title is the only required field, the rest are optional. However, for the sake of this video, I will fill in the rest of these fields as well. I will now create an event and show you how to fill in the information. First, choose an event title, enter an event website, location, contact phone, email, and you are now given the option to upload an event image. To do so, click the green Browse Server button. And as you can see, the list of photos that you have uploaded will pop up. However, if you have not already uploaded a photo to your server, click this Upload button and choose a photo from your computer. Now you have the option to enter event details. Once you have filled in the event details, scroll down and you will have to fill in event date and time details. You have three options. You can specify a start and end time for the event. If you choose this option, you have to fill out event start date and time and end date and time. If you specify a start time but no end time for the event, you just have to fill in an event start date and time and then just the event end date. And if you choose all-day event with no start or end time, all you have to fill in is the event start and event end. I will choose the 4th of July for this event. You now have to fill in the repeater settings. First, you can choose that the event does not repeat, meaning that the event will only take place on that one day. You can choose annually, and the event will be posted annually each year. You can choose monthly, where you choose the day in which the event will take place every month. Or you can choose weekly, and you get the option to choose every week, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, or every 4 weeks, and which days of the week it occurs on. Now you just have to choose your publish settings. So you can either publish now, or choose as a draft. And also, if group sharing is enabled for your calendar, you can use shared or not shared. Finally, click the green Post This Event button. Now the event has been saved and will display on your calendar page. I will now go to our demo site to show you what this looks like. Go under Community, click the Calendar button, and as you can see, our event is posted right here. So when you click the event, all the details that we filled out will pop up. Let's go back to the admin site to go over more details. We will now go over the Submissions tool. This tool allows you to manage all of the events submitted by visitors. Submissions are made through a calendar form on the public side of your website for your visitors to submit an event to your calendar page. Submissions will be stored in the admin side until approved. I'm going to go over to our demo website to show you the Submit an Event form. So go under the Community and click Submit an Event. As you can see, all of the information that you have to fill out is exactly identical to the information that we just filled out when creating our own event on the admin side. I've now filled in all required fields, and I will click the Submit button at the bottom. As you can see, it says your event has been submitted. Once approved, it will appear on the calendar. So I'm now going to hop back into the admin site to see this event. As you can see, our event has popped up in the calendar submissions page. This screen displays unpublished calendar items. You can publish the items from here or use the pencil to edit the event. So say you wanted to edit various details of the event, you could do so here and click the Save Changes button. Now, go back to Submissions, and to publish the event, check the Publish box and click the blue Save Changes button. It says the event has been updated successfully. So now let's go into the admin site to see this event on the calendar. You can now see my birthday party on the 20th of July, and when you click it, all the details will be below. I will now show you how to add an email address to designate a specific person to get emails regarding the submissions for the calendar. So go to Settings, click Notifications, and then you'll see Calendar Submissions. In this case, this calendar submissions email is blank. Thus, the notifications will go to this top email by default. However, if you do want to add an email, click below and add it. Then choose the blue Save Changes button. I know this has been a long video, so please bear with me. There's one more section that I would like to go over. I would like to go over the calendar display settings. So go to Menu and Pages, Menu Pages, Community, because that's what tab that the calendar is under. Scroll down and you'll see Calendar. Click the yellow edit icon. Now click the gray gear icon next to Calendar, and you will see Calendar Settings. If you click that, there will be a layout template. Most of our clients either use responsive, responsive group, or responsive individual. The responsive group is for those clients that have multiple websites with us. The responsive individual is for those that only have one or want to just manage them individually. However, you do have the option to click Flat List Group or Flat List Individual. Choosing Flat List will list the calendar events in a list rather than in an actual calendar. I will click this just to show you exactly what this looks like on the website. While I'm in this setting, I also want to go to Item Display and note that if you do want to turn off your calendar, you can do so here. And then click the blue Save Changes button. So when we go to our admin page, go to Community and Calendar one more time. And now, as you can see, the calendar is listed in a list rather than an actual calendar. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to click on our help article or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos, and we'll see you next time.